hope my hair doesn't look too insane today, guys, because I don't have time to do it. And I'm just gonna be a crazy mess for you, because that's how I roll. Ugh. Yeah. Ta-da. This is what you get. Hi guys, my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. I'm so happy to have every single one of you here. Today we are here for day 5 of Vlogtober. I know it's only been 5 days, guys, but that's a record for me. So I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna roll with it. For those of you who are new here, just a real quick rundown. Suzy over at Suzy's Health Journey and I have teamed up for the month of October, aka Vlogtober, to share a new challenge with you each week. This week's challenge is to share a motivational or inspirational quote that you enjoy. With us here on our YouTube channels, you can leave them down in the comments, or you can go to Suzy's Facebook page, Suzy's Health Journey, and leave your favorite inspirational or motivational quote there. I will make sure to link Suzy's Facebook group and her YouTube channel down in the comments. We are going to be announcing Thursday night what the challenge for next week is. So if you guys have any ideas or things that you would like to challenge yourself with or us, feel free to leave those down in the comments here or on her Facebook page as well. All right, guys. So I have been sharing an affirmation each day this week, but if you haven't seen one of these yet, they're actually more like affirmators with a twist or a little bit of chaos thrown in. They're done Jenn style. These are called affirmators, and clearly they do their own thing. Sorry. And I am having a lot of fun with these, guys. I really needed to pick me up after my day at work yesterday, and the affirmator that I shared with you guys was perfect for it. So let's see what they have in store for us today. And then after that, I have a replacement FabFit Fun bundle to open with you guys. So we'll go ahead and take out our deck, and we'll take out the card that was on top. And the word for this card is patience. I don't need more patience. If people would just hurry up, my life would be so much easier. I'm just kidding. All right, sorry for the glare. Let's read this card. Congratulations, you've been granted more patience. You may start using it right away or much, much later. Waiting a long time is a sort of option that is now afforded to you by greater patience. Can you believe it? Look at this. You're still reading and you haven't started getting annoyed yet. Imagine how this patience will transform your life. Imagine how easy it will be to go to the post office. What do you think, guys? Oh, patience is not one of my strong suits. Not my strong suits. Neither is going to the post office. Maybe that's why. I don't know. What do you guys think? What areas in your life do you need to be more patient? I know work is a big one for me. I have got to learn to be more patient because I get frustrated so quickly. So quickly. And I know that it's my deal and I'm getting upset about stuff that really I don't have any control over. So why waste my energy and time getting upset about it? So that is one place that I definitely need to work on my patience. Let me know, guys, down below in the comments, where do you need more patience? Okay, let's get into this mystery bundle. For those of you who don't know what this is, FabFitFun is a quarterly subscription box. You get one in the winter, spring, summer, and fall. And last fall, I haven't even edited my video yet for my unboxing. I don't know if I'll still do that or not because I'm kind of late to the game. But they gave you the option of what they call, I think, refills or something like that. And I added 2 mystery bundles, thinking that I would get 2 different mystery bundles because who would want 2 of the same thing? Well, sure enough, they sent me 2 of the same thing. So I emailed them, And I said, hey, is this how it's supposed to work? Because if that's the case, I only want to get one mystery bundle with each subscription box that I get. And they didn't really answer that question, but they sent me a replacement. So I got to keep the ones that I had, which means you guys are going to be getting one of the bundles in this 800 subscriber giveaway that I'm announcing this week. And possibly, we'll see what's in here. I might be sharing some of these items with you too. So here is our replacement mystery bundle from FabFitFun. Here's what the inside looks like. Oh boy. Let me put my glasses on again so I can see, guys. I'm blind as a bat. All right, first thing we got, Renewal Plus Eye Mask. Natural fiber eye mask. Red algae minimizes the look of fine lines in dark circles. Paraben-free, dye-free, fragrance-free, and ophthalmologist tested. So this is 4 pairs of eye masks. Always happy to have more eye masks. I just did some today. I had some avocado eye masks that I did. No. So this is by Avatara, and it is Calm Down 2-step nose strip set with witch hazel. And I just did nose strips too while I did my eye mask. So that's hilarious that I've got some of these now. It is 10 nose pore strips and then 10 hydrogel nose mask. Dig deep to reveal your skin's inner beauty with our 2-step kit designed to remove dirt and control oil on your nose. This is definitely not the same as the last 2 mystery bundles that I got. So here we go. They come attached. So I am guessing what you do. Okay, step 1, Calm Down nose pore strip. It says, after washing your face, wet your nose, peel off the plastic, apply the strip for 10 to 15 minutes, remove and follow with step 2. And then step 2 is, it's another nose mask that you leave on for 10 to 15 minutes and then you take it off. So it's 2 different nose strips. Awesome. That's what those look like again. Super excited to give those a try. And then the last thing that we got is Lily Pulitzer travel mug. You guys know I love coffee mugs. No. I don't believe that's what it is. Let's look and see. Oh my gosh. Wow. It really is. You guys, I love Lily Pulitzer stuff. I've actually got 2 of her coffee mugs as decoration on my shelf right behind you. I'm sure you guys have seen them in my previous videos. Oh my gosh, this is an 18-ounce travel mug. Look at that. That is gorgeous. It's very summery, but I don't care. Those are pineapples. And then look at the lid. How's that work? Oh, wow. Look, see, you turn it. And then there's where you drink from. There. See it? If we can put a straw in there too. Cap screws on. Nice, nice, nice. Wow, this is a much better bundle than the last one. I mean, the last bundle was good, but this is just completely different. I didn't get a number or anything. So, real quick, a review of what we got. We've got this travel mug, which is so exciting. Avatara Calm Down nose strip packs. And then by Karuna, we've got the Renewal eye mask. Very nice. Thank you, FabFitFun. All right, guys, don't forget our word for today is patience. Patience with yourself, patience with other people, just patience in general, guys. All right, I hope you all have a fantastic day. If you haven't already, if you give this video a thumbs up, I would truly appreciate it. If you're not a member of my YouTube family, guys, and you think you can handle this chaos, because this is probably one of the most chaotic Vlogtober videos that I've done, because I am all over the place, and I apologize. Please extend your patience practices upon me. Please consider hitting that subscribe button down in the corner. I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family. And until next time, guys, stay patient and keep smiling. Bye.